Hi guys, Akshata here from Akshata's Recipes with yet another easy, quick and delicious recipe. Well, with Easter just around the corner, I'll be showing you a very simple peanut butter and chocolate Easter egg. It's so easy to make. You can make it into a family event, get your kids and friends involved. It's simple and the best part, it's completely veg. So guys, let's head on to the recipe and let's start making this peanut butter and chocolate Easter egg. Well friends, for our recipe of making this peanut butter and chocolate Easter egg, we require 1 cup of ground digestive biscuit. Here I've used Marie biscuits. Then we require half a cup of peanut butter. You can use the chunky peanut butter or you can use the smooth peanut butter. You require exactly half a cup. Then you require 1/4 cup of icing sugar, and it should be really fine, and if you can sieve it, that's much better. And just a pinch of salt, and we require 1/4 cup of melted butter. So let's get started. Now we will first take our peanut butter, empty it into a bowl. Now to this, we'll be adding our melted butter. Now we're going to give this a good whisk till it becomes nice and smooth. Now we will add in our icing sugar and the pinch of salt. Give all of this a very good mix. And now it's time to add a biscuit powder. Again, give all of this a good mix. It has to become into a soft dough, very similar to a cookie dough. I'm using my hands because that's the best tool we have. So just mix everything together. Massage it well till it all comes together. Now for this you have to ensure that your icing sugar is very smooth. So I have ground the sugar in the mixer and then I sieved it. So here we have the dough ready. Now I've just lined a baking tray with some baking paper or parchment paper. There isn't any baking in this dish, but we have to set these Easter eggs. Now I got these Easter egg molds. You can either make a shape of an egg freehand or you can use these molds for a better shape. I'll show you both, the freehand one and the one with the mold. So just fit it into the mold and just flip it. Okay, so you get a nice round shape like this, or you can do one freehand. These molds are very easily available in the market, especially in Bandra, the place I love to shop. Okay, so you just make a shape like this an oblong kind of shape with your hands. Okay, so I'll just finish making these. So with the quantity I've used, I've got exactly 8 halves like this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put this into our refrigerator for at least half an hour. And then it gets very interesting. We're just going to dip it into some yummy melted chocolate, let it set again, and then put some lovely sprinkles in it and decorate it, and it's going to look fab. So right now I'm just going to put it into my refrigerator and let it cool down and set for half an hour. So now friends, we have our peanut butter eggs all shaped. They have been in the refrigerator for half an hour. Here I have my melted chocolate and a few sprinkles. So now let's get started. So now with the help of 2 forks, I will just pick this egg gently and just coat it with some yummy chocolate. You can use milk chocolate or dark chocolate. I have used dark chocolate. Then just lift it up like this so all the excess chocolate gets dropped. Just hold it for about half a minute so that all the excess chocolate gets dropped, and then again we're going to lay it back on the baking sheet. So I'll show you one more. Just lift that up. It's already nice and it's quite solid because it's been in the fridge for half an hour. Then dip it using 2 forks. Lift it. Just shake off all the excess chocolate. If you like white chocolate, you can use white chocolate too. And then just very carefully place it on your sheet again. So I'll do the rest of them and then we'll go to the decoration part with sprinkles. So now I've coated the eggs with the chocolate, and now we're going to just put some sprinkles on it, and then we're going to put it back into our refrigerator to set for at least another 30 minutes. So you can just put sprinkles to make it nice and decorative. Either you put it all over the egg or as you wish, in the center only. I will be coming up with 2 more Easter egg recipes So look out for those. One will be the traditional marzipan recipe, and the other one is a surprise. I think it looks better with the sprinkles only in the middle, right? So now, here they are all ready. Now all I have to do is just put this in the refrigerator to sit for half an hour. And now that the eggs have set, we just have to shape them up a little because they have a little excess chocolate at the side. So what you do is just take a potato peeler or a knife and just remove the excess chocolate so you get a nice egg shape. Like this. And now all I've done is I've just taken a cupcake holder and put our beautiful Easter eggs in it. So doesn't that look pretty? You can just take any cupcake holder. Nowadays you get beautiful designs, and just put your little egg in it. And here I've just cut up one to show you how delicious this looks. Peanut butter, chocolate. Doesn't that look yummy? So here, friends, is the amazing peanut butter and chocolate Easter eggs. So easy to make and so pretty. I'm sure your kids are going to gorge on them. So I hope you do try out this recipe. And do leave your comments in the comment box below. I would love to hear from you. And happy Easter in advance. And look forward to my 2 upcoming Easter egg recipes. Like I said, one will be the traditional marzipan one, and the other one is a surprise. So this is Akshata signing off until another video. Take care, guys. Bye.